Hi guys, what do you think is new about me? Well, I got a haircut. Yeah, remember my normal long hair. So yeah, I wanted to do this video so I can show you the newest nerf gun. Be ready. Well, look at this baby. It looks like a normal gun, but let's see something of the bullets. So I got a bullet from the nerf thing, and I think from the dart. At first, pins, I used the dart thingy. So, let's get ready to rumble. Yeah, this is gonna be a shoot video. So, as you can see over there, the big thingy, I will shoot at it. It's like a 3D. Wah, wah, wah. Okay, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Ooh. That was a close shot, but not that close. So let's reload this second, and I'll be right back when I get the other bullet. That's right there. Okay, see ya. Okay, I barely found this bullet. This one. Okay, I made 2 because I have 2 doors. So yeah, let's try and do some target practice. So let's put this bullet in here. Ow, my finger. And then let's see. Can you see the target? My target? Yeah. Let's try and shoot it down. Whoa! Whoa. Do you know where that goes? Good. Let's see. Oh wow! If you can see that, yeah. The bullet actually went right next to it. So yeah, that's a pretty close shot. So yeah, let's try and get another score. Then basically 0. Sorry about this thingy. I just put in my finger. Let's try. Should we try the new bullet? This is the old one that we tried. Let's try this one. Yeah, reload, and let's make it powerful. See this button over here. Okay. So yeah, this will be more like a shooting video. So let's try and do this again. Okay, so you can see me. Hi guys, and I'm gonna try and shoot. This like first person shooters. And anyways, if you don't know, my gun has a laser. That's right there. See the laser? Ooh. So yeah, I will be using this laser for a lot of stuff. And if you guys don't know where I came from, yeah, I came from school. I'm only a kid, 10 years old. So let's get ready to rumble. Shoot. And 3. I'm not gonna do that kind of shooting. I'm doing side shoots. See, and then boom. If you can see, let's try another shot. If this will be close enough. And ooh, too far. That's it. The shot. Yeah, so this one kind of went off a lot. See, it's so fun, and look at that bullet hole. This one up top went really high, and yeah, when I was doing some target practicing, I kind of shot my mom's book. See that little door? Yeah, I shot that by accident. So yeah, let's try more shots. So yeah, this will be cool for you guys to try. Just take this off, take the orange bit off, and take this off a dot. It doesn't need to be a dot, it can be a pin or something, and put it in, baby. So let's get ready to rumble and shoot this again. Yeah. Why are you looking at me? And guys, yeah, I will be going to my country and on the 4th. So yeah, I will do some vlogging for the thingy. For the trip and stuff. So this channel will be my vlogging and gaming because I have my badass TV right here. See? Look how big that is. Can you see that TV? And I have a Wii right down there. So yeah, we'll play some games later on in my channel. But first I want to take this rubbish stuff out of the way, because if the fun stuff are going first, then the rubbish ones, yeah, what's the point? Yeah, so let's get ready to limbo and shoot down the target. Oh wait, let's shoot that sticker. If you can see the sticker right here, that's the sticker. Woo! Just try and shoot it. Let me zoom in, if I can. No, sorry guys, I can't zoom in. But let's try and shoot. Can you see me upside down, baby? Upside down. Okay, let's stop doing that. So let's get ready to shoot. Oh yeah, I forgot. Silly me. I forgot to reload. I put that bullet back in the hole. And look at this. Oh. Did you guys see that? So, it's impossible to see it, but I will show you it later. And let's get. Ooh. Kind of close. Let's get closer to this. And yeah. As you can see, maybe you guys can't see, but the bullets are here. One of them was here, and one of them was down here. So yeah. So sorry about that. I'm filming on the iPads, on the tablets, and yeah. Tell me guys, should I make the next video a gaming video, or should I make more stupid stuff? Because I can do anything for you bros. And yeah, if you like this video, leave a like down below and stay awesome bros. Let's see how many of you liked it, like this gun. Yeah. See you later, alligators.